There she is, the missing one.
You little troublemaker.
I think, you know about those hickeys? I think she was
looking for him.
I think she found a boyfriend.
You found one and you didn't tell us? We didn't even get a check. Loli, do you know about this? I think you know about this. Were you hiding this from us? Oh, missed you. I missed both.
So it's my mom's birthday in like 10 minutes. And this is Veda 9. Because I just uploaded Veda 8, so...
It's 11 o'clock right now.
Yeah, I'm going to consider this Veda 9. And we're going to say happy birthday to my mom in a bit.
I just wanted to come say hi to them.
Woo! Happy birthday! It's 12 o'clock. Ya sabías.
¿Qué?
Que ibas a venir. Que we were gonna come.
¿Y las velas? Ahí te dan las velas.
Que lo sople, soplale.
Thank you. Aquí estás.
Ahora tu regalo. Agarramos ya el mejor.
Mañana tenemos.
Thank you.
Ya me estaba quedando dormida.
Nah.
Te lo juro. Tráetelo para acá.
¿Para qué? Para que vea mi papá.
Párate, guabón, y dame mi abrazo. Sí.
Ya, ¿qué dice ahí?
I have that one.
Oh yeah, you do.
¿No?
It's so pretty.
Oh, está bien bonita.
Para tu joder.
¿Dónde le mandaron a hacer?
Mamá, what's your mom?
Yeah, it does.
¿Eh?
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice. I don't know.
You didn't know that?
Where's the little skinny girl?
The ballerina.
Yeah, like.
Happy birthday, mom.
Ah, está bonito.
Happy birthday.
¿Y la bailarina?
Un abrazo, los abrazos, los abrazos.
Abrazos.
Ah,
Thank
thank you.
Happy birthday, mom.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Mi regalo, happy
birthday.
birthday.
Happy
Beso. Beso. ¡Mua! La barba le pica.
Beso, beso, beso. ¡Ey, no! ¡En la boca!
La barba le pica.
Tú antes le decías, "Tío".
Pues ya no.
Yeah, right? Que la cargue. Que la cargue. I said.
Ya me lo dio.
No, yo vi.
Who's next for the hug? Who's next for the hug?
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Por eso no te ibas de cabrona. Thank you, Nicole.
Ya estaba todo planeado.
Nadie se iba.
¿Eh?
Ya estaba todo planeado.
Sí.
Ok, ahora el
Ya
pastelito
sé.
échalo para allá.
Alright.
Let's cut the cake.
Alright.
Cutting the cake. Cake style.
Está bien padre.
So you know how I was talking to you guys about they're fixing my bathroom? Look at that bird. It's right there. But all my old stuff is right there. Oh, bird doesn't fly. It doesn't fly. It doesn't fly away. Can I pet it? Can I pet it? Oh my god, it wants to bite me. Don't bite me now. Here, birdie. Here, birdie. Here, birdie. Oh my god. I- Have you ever got so close to a wild bird like this before? This is my first time. It's okay. Are you okay though? Hey, where are you going? Come on, birdie. Don't fly away now. Like, I really, really, really want to touch it, but I'm scared it's gonna bite me. What kind of bird does that though? It's okay. I'm touching it. I'm touching it. Oh my god, I'm really touching a wild bird for the first time. Holy crap. Look at that, guys. I can't believe it. It's not even biting me or nothing. That's awesome. This bird is brave. Very brave. Say hi to YouTube. I'm a brave wild bird. Woohoo! Alright, so we're gonna try my girlfriend can do it. Come here, come here. There's a bird right there and I pet it. No, I just pet it right now and it's been here for like ever. He's my little friend.
Wait, are you joking?
No, I'm positive. Like I have it on the vlog. Huh?
What did you name him?
I named him Brave. Look, it's a little friend. It's a little friend.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's just eating. I think my parents gave him some food.
Some bread.
Yeah. But I pet him right now and like how often would you go up to a bird and like try to pet him without flying away?
That's true. I've never been this close to. Well, I mean, I've been. I'm scared.
I just pet him right now. It's okay. Here, birdie. No,
I'm sorry. I won't.
That's awesome, right?
That is. Oh, he pooped. It's been there for a while.
You think so?
Did you try calling me?
Yeah, because I called you. I found a friend. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. I'm gonna name you Brave.
I don't want to say it.
Come on, say that you pitched good.
I don't want to say anything on the camera.
No, you have to now. This is for memories. Remember?
I'll never forget this day. Basically, my team, we won one game and then we lost one game, but we only lost one game by 1 point. It was a really good game.
And everybody was what you said?
I don't want to say anything.
Everybody was like, go, Nicole.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Everybody was cheering for her. They went to Springfield, the capital of Illinois, that's like 3 or 4 hours away, for a softball on her cottage. And they won the first one and they lost the second one by 1 point. So we're gonna have a dinner celebration.
After I'm done working.
Yeah, right now she picked me up, so it's take your boyfriend to work day today.
It's gonna be make your boyfriend work for you day.
Yeah, right. Oh, look at that.
So pretty.
It's like pinkish. It's awesome. What kind of cloud is that? It looks like an arm.
Stratus. No, I don't know.
No,
Oh, you were talking about what
it looks like an arm and then like the face, the whole body. I'm gonna do the bun tray dance. I'm helping out my girlfriend on her job. Pretty much I'm doing this the whole time. I do all those. So is it like this? Overlapping? look at that.
Your wedding? Wow.
Hey, you. I'm talking to you. We're about to go in the back door. I've never been there before. Ever. It's gonna be my first time. I'm trace skating. I'm trace skating.
I want to go.
I'm so hungry. Let's go. Let's go. Move out. Move. Camera's not seeing me right now. Psych. There she is. I can't go back. I'll get yelled at.
Never again.
Never again. Taking your boyfriend to work. But it feels like we're on a road trip right now. I got my girlfriend's blanket and frog pillow that she took to Springfield. Yeah. And then she put them. Like, hi. It's not gonna be even more cold, but it feels good though. Nice and warm. Right now we're going to eat some Portillo's. Hot dogs, Portillo's.
Delicious.
We're about to go Portillo's hot dogs. If you ever come to Illinois, come to Portillo's hot dogs. There's Portillo's pretty much in every town in Illinois. And it's only in Illinois. There's one in California too. They just put it in California. You can see right there. And there's one in Arizona too. So, Portillo's hot dogs, the best. Alright guys, she got us salad as usual. Man, I'm going ham with my hot dogs. Son.
Just for the record, it's not because it's healthy, it's because it's good.
No, that way, that's not mine. The barbecue, whatever. I don't know, but I got a chili dog, I got Polish, French fries. I got everything. But I forgot my ketchup though. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is it for the vlog today. I have no idea if it's short or something. But I'm going to edit it right now. So, peace out.